How to convert ZIP to APK on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can convert ZIP to APK on Android. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First step is to check what's inside your ZIP file. Before converting, make sure that the ZIP file actually contains APK-compatible files. If it does not contain these compatible files, then it's not an APK and cannot be converted directly. But sometimes there can be misnamed APK, and if your file is actually on APK but saved with .zip extension, in that case you have to rename it. For that, open up your file manager in your device. Now under your file, go to your documents and here find your zip files. So once you have your zip file, long press and rename it. Now change its file extension from .zip to .apk. If it's changed or if it's renamed, tap on it to install it, and you maybe need to enable install from unknown sources through your settings, so you could check that. Once you enable it, tap on your APK file that you have renamed recently and then install it. So here, make sure that you do not install random zip files renamed to APK unless you trust the source. That could be unsafe. And do not expect zip files with random data to magically become application. So with that on your mind, that's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.